Come clean with me. Hey everyone, it's AJ with AJ DeClutter Me, LLC. First, I grab my gloves, then I use my Swiffer extendable duster. I dust the corners of the bathroom every time, and don't forget the light fixtures and the mirrors. After I've dusted the door frame, it's time to clean the mirrors. Then I sanitize the surfaces such as the towel holder, light switches, and doorknobs. Then I'm going to spray the cleaner and let it sit so it can disinfect. Make sure to read the back of the bottle for instructions. And then I will wipe down everything in the bathroom, including the soap dispensers and the candle and this adorable little flower. What I quickly did was I sprayed the cleaner for the toilet and inside the toilet bowl. So now everything's been wiped down on the sink, and it's time for me to get ready to clean the toilet now that the cleaner has been sitting. Now we're going to start the toilet from top to bottom. Make sure to wipe down everything on the toilet. Sometimes they're dusty, so you might want to dust those before you wipe them down with the Lysol wipes or the spray. All right, so I have been cleaning the toilet. I started from the top, and then everything is wiped down really well, and I flush the toilet. I wash my hands because every time you change gloves, you gotta wash your hands, and now it's time to sweep. So I've swept the entire bathroom, and now it's time to mop, pick up any big items off the floor, of course, and I always wait to put the rugs back onto the floor until the floor is completely dry. I then refill the toilet paper, the trash has been taken back, and the liner has been replaced, and everything is back perfect. So, thank you so much for cleaning with me. My name is AJ with AJ DeClutter Me, LLC. We declutter mind, body, and home. Ciao, ciao. Bye-bye.